make a special mention of the Department of Law, established in 1973. This department holds a special place in the university's history, not just for its academic excellence, but also for the remarkable students it has produced. Let me say this with affection. Our law students used to give the university administration a tough time through their questions and relentless energy, but we now see them in rows and benches, serving in the judiciary and legal system with honor. We remember their naughtiness with a smile and celebrate their achievements with pride. Dear alumni, today's event is a get-together and a homecoming too. Though life has led us far and wide, we meet again with hearts full of pride. This event is not just a reunion, but a celebration of shared memories, collective accomplishments, and the enduring bond between alumni and their alma mater. I am sure while stepping into the premises of this university, fond memories of your time on this beautiful campus must have revived into your minds. Indeed, with your return today, this entire campus feels more alive, more complete. Your presence has made today's meet a truly historic one. We are humble and grateful to all of you for making it here. We take pride in being the largest and the oldest institution of higher education in Jammu and Kashmir. This legacy institution has stood the test of time over the decades and has served as a beacon of light in this part of the country. I am delighted to share that in 2047, the university would complete its 100 years of existence. While we would be celebrating centenary at the University of Kashmir, our country would celebrate its accomplishments of becoming a Viksit nation, a matter of pride and pleasant coincidence. Since its inception, the university has witnessed remarkable growth in academic strength, institutional capacity, and geographical outreach. Today, it comprises of 79 teaching departments, 14 schools, 13 research centers. To make higher education more accessible across the valley, the university has established satellite campuses, Institute of Technology, Zukura campus, South campus at Anantnag, North campus at Baramulla, Kupwara campus, besides a regional center for distance learning at Jammu for students enrolled from outside the Kashmir, reflecting university's commitment to inclusivity and accessibility. Currently, the university has over 16,000 students enrolled in both regular and distance learning modes, offering a wide range of academic programs. We offer admissions to 47 PhD, 68 PG, and 13 UG courses under 14 schools. The university mentors its 209 affiliated constituent colleges that cater to the entire educational landscape of the region. Our Allama Iqbal Library is the first ISO certified university library in the country, fully automated with integrated library management software.